Onto you.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, these little baby ones.
Just a little bit weird.
Fish. Oh, they like you. I wiggle too much.
This feels really weird.
No. I wish they'd eat the bottom of my feet.
Feels like someone's taking a feather and just
Rubbing it all
your
over.
whole everywhere.
You have all of them.
No way.
Yeah, I don't have any. Cute.
I can't fix it.
Oh, okay, so I've been wiggling.
How long you want this video?
Oh, yeah. I'll take it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're scared of me. Well, wait, do you have bubble gum?
I don't know.
Oops.
This tickles a lot.